Highlights in 4 steps to building digital twins for manufacturing via McKinsey.com. 1. The first step of digital twin development involves rapidly building a proof of concept to demonstrate the feasibility of the twin and refine impact estimates. 2. A team targets a higher fidelity, minimum viable product simulation to fully identify data feeds and designing the future state architecture. At this point, capture is possible by highlighting process change opportunities. For example, optimizing staffing, understanding the impacts of product mix on the line, and identifying bottlenecks under different conditions. 3. The simulation is connected to real-time data feeds and embedded into operations, transitioning from the sandbox to the production environment. 4. Optimizer platforms are added, using ML algorithms to identify optimal scheduling patterns or campaigns in real time. Summary: given that many industrial players have complex and vertically integrated production systems with component fabrication, assembly, and distribution occurring across many different nodes. If each of these nodes had its own digital twin, the end-to-end network could be optimized for incredibly complex planning problems and capacity analytics. Factory digital twins are likely to continue to evolve as virtual models integrate closely with generative AI technologies. It is feasible that high-functioning AI language models could interact more seamlessly with factory leadership and make recommendations in real time, alerting operators and managers to potential improvements or ways to address unexpected disruptions and estimated recovery timelines. Explore this and more at McKinsey.com.